Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. We're coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful new construction home here to show you. It has so many things that I'm going to put this paper here in front. Let's see if you can see it on your TV. And it shows everything that the home brings. So as you can see, it's a big list. Okay, so now let me tell you a little bit more about the home. It has 2,420 square feet under air. It has 3 bedrooms, a den, and 3 bathrooms inside and a half a bathroom in the pool area. And the pool area is just incredible. So let's not take too much of your time and let's start this tour. Okay, as you come in, you're welcome with this beautiful glass door and this nice porch out here. Check out the size of the porch. And you're surrounded by very nice homes. Okay. Let's go ahead inside. As you come in, let me adjust the lens here a little bit. As you come in, you're welcome with this nice living room with really nice high ceilings. Okay. And you're also welcome with this gorgeous chandelier here. Okay. And you can see the beautiful view of the pool from here. I hope the camera is doing justice. Okay, so let's start over here first with the den. Got this beautiful glass sliding door to the den, kind of like barn doors. And the den is a really nice size. Check out the height and those industrial AC vents. Okay, now continue over here. This is your laundry room. That's where your wash and dryer hookup is. And you have a nice sink over here with some cabinets. And plenty of wall. You could add a lot more stuff. Okay, let's come over here. And this is your 3-car garage. It's huge. It's huge. And then over there at the end, you have your water heater with your electrical panels. But check out the size of this garage. Nice, isn't it? Okay. The floor, it's beautiful. I think the list that I showed you at the beginning tells you what type of floor it is, where it's from, but it's very nice. Also over here, you got your mount for your TV there. To mount your hookup. And now let's go ahead and take a closer look over here to the kitchen. Check it out, it's a nice combination of colors. Okay. You got this beautiful island. Over here's your LG appliances. You got your 2 ovens here. Over here you got your dishwasher. Check out this beautiful sink. And that right there will be your dining room. And over here you got plenty of cabinet space. Check this out. Got your stove with your exhaust there. And plenty of cabinet space. Let's try to open one of these. Check this out. We've got a lot of space here to put stuff. Gotta put your paper. Look at the bottom. Let's check out the drawers. And then you have another drawer in here. Check this out. And over here, it's your trash cans. Okay, you have these beautiful sliders that just give you a beautiful view to the pool there. But first, I'm gonna go outside and show you the outdoor kitchen. But first, let me show you here the dining room area. Very big, and you have the beautiful window that brings a lot of light inside. And over here, if you like wines, here's your own wine cellar here. You can put as many bottles you want there. Okay, let's continue over here. Over here to the left, this is called this bedroom number 1. Okay, very nice size. And what I like is the closets. Check out the closets inside. You got a nice walk-in closet here. A lot of space to put all your stuff here. And over here you got your mounts your plugs and antenna and probably internet also for your TV here. Over here you have a nice closet. And this is your guest bathroom. Very nice, very well finished. Now over here, let's call this bedroom number 2. And you got those barn doors like the den does. Pretty cool, huh? To go into your closet and see what the closet looks like. You open it here. Yeah, very nice. Lots of space in here. Okay, and here's your second bathroom. Check out the nice inlaid in the wall there in the shower. Got a nice shelf there. That's your rain pan, and over here your controls. Floor tile. Let me know what you think about this home. Do you like it? I like the colors. They're light colors and very nice. Well, very well decorated in the sense of the type of furniture, the type of cabinets that they got. Look at the cabinet combinations of colors. Tell me what you think. Remember, if you would like to know the price of this property, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go in the description below if you're on a computer or a phone. Okay? That will give you the price, a full report, everything about the property. Okay, here's the master bedroom. Very spacious. You can move around so you can visualize the size. Look at this. Very nice size. High ceilings. Okay, and if you're in your bed laying over here, you got a beautiful view of the pool there. That's your TV hookup. And now let's move over here to closet number 1. And then over here to closet number 2. Very nice size closets, check it out. Plenty of space, even you have drawers. And now let's take a look at the bathroom here, the master bathroom. You got one vanity on this side. You got a beautiful tub. Look at the combinations of the tiles with the furniture, with the cabinets here with the vanity. Look at that. Check this out. And this is your towel closet. And then over here is your toilet closet with a window. And now we're going to walk over here, take a look at the shower. Check this out. Okay, you have your nice rain pan all the way on the top. And then you got 2 shelves over here with your controls and a nice open window here so you get a nice bright and light inside. And a lot of space inside this shower. Cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the pool area and the outdoor kitchen. Okay, remember, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, my wife and I has been selling real estate in this area for over 24 years. And if you have any questions on this property or any property that you see out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay? I can tell you that these doors are hurricane impact with doors because they weigh a ton. They're solid. So all the windows and the doors here are all impact, so you don't have to worry about that. And over here is your outdoor kitchen. Check it out. You have your nice sink over here, refrigerator, and your really nice barbecue. And plenty of space. Check out the size of this area here. Look at that. If you like to throw out parties, this could be a really nice party home. Check out all the outlets you have also too. Over here you got also your area to install your TV with your outlets there and your internet connection. And over here, check out this pool. Can you adjust the other one's a little bit too bright. Okay, check it out. Nice, beautiful yard, all fenced in. And let's walk over here so you can take a look. You have a shower. So you take a shower before you go in the pool. And then over here, let's see if it's open. You got your half a bath for the pool. So tell me what you think about this home. Okay, please write in the comments below. And if you would like me to film any specific type of home, feel free also to comment below or give us a call, 239-410-7372. We're here to help you with any questions you might have in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida area. So thank you for watching. If you want to continue watching another great video, just click on this video here and hit the subscribe button, and please give me a like. It helps me a lot with my algorithm so more people get to see these videos, okay? So thank you a lot and see you on the next video.